Do you know your laptop camera can be accessed without you knowing? In this video, I'll show you how you can turn off camera access on your laptop and why it is very important for your privacy. Some applications and websites use your camera in the background, so turning off camera access helps protect your privacy, stop spying, and block unauthorized applications. So to do that, head over to your settings. Go to Privacy and Security, scroll down and click on Camera. Now you can turn off camera access entirely, or you can individually turn off camera access for some applications or websites. So for example, when you turn off your camera access, let's try to access our camera. So when you try to access your camera, this is what you're going to get. We need your permission. So until you turn back on your camera access from the settings, your camera is not going to be accessible. So nobody can remotely access your camera without you knowing. As you can see, our camera is back up.